Hello and welcome to my channel. Dragon Boat Festival is coming soon this year, so today I'm going to show you how to make alkaline dumplings. In Cantonese dialect, these dumplings are called Gan Sui Jong, or in Chinese it's called JianShui Zong. These dumplings are soft, sticky and chewy, and they are enjoyed with sugar, gula melaka syrup, kaya or red bean. First, let's prepare the rice. Here I have 500 grams of glutinous rice, wash until the water is clear. Then soak for 30 minutes. While waiting for the rice to be ready, let's prepare the bamboo leaves. I love to use fresh bamboo leaves. It takes less time to prepare and the bamboo leaves are so fragrant. Best if you can get hold of these. It's not too expensive, about 13 ringgit 50 for 50 pieces, just enough to make one batch of dumplings. I bought it online, so if you want to buy online, I placed a link in the description below. They are so fragrant. If you can't get fresh ones, you can use dried bamboo leaves. Please see my other video on how to prep dried bamboo leaves. The link is in the description box below. Each leaf is about 8 cm wide. You just need to wash them, no need to soak or boil in hot water. Simple trick, when washing, wipe from head to tail. The cloth will move smoothly when you do that. If you wipe the opposite direction, it gets stuck. Wipe them clean. I'm going to cut off the tip. It's quite tough, so if you cut it off, it will be easier to wrap later. Stack all on top of each other to prevent them from drying up. Here I have 3 types of strings. This is bamboo string. I got it from another packet of bamboo leaves. This is another type of bamboo string. I would recommend these strings as they don't break easily. You can easily get them from the supermarket that sells bamboo leaves as well. Then if you don't have, you can use any kitchen strings. I'm using the bamboo strings today, so for these strings need to soak for 15 to 20 minutes to soften it. After it's softened, gather a few strings, tie a knot in the middle. I'm going to use a hook. Tie the strings over the hook. Make sure you can easily remove the strings from the hook. If not, you'll have a hard time trying to take your dumplings out later and you have to cut the strings. Let's get back to the rice. Pour off the excess water. It doesn't have to be totally dry. A little water left is fine. So the main ingredients to make these dumplings is the alkaline water. Here in Malaysia, it's packaged as air abu soda. Don't mix it up with another type. Don't use this. This one does not have the word soda, so the first time I made these dumplings I used this one. The dumplings turned out pale, yellow and not as soft and chewy. Add 1.5 tablespoons of alkaline water. You can see the rice turning yellow instantly. Don't add too much, apparently if you do, the rice will taste bitter. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. My aunt told me that previously we used borax to prevent the dumplings from sticking to the leaves, but borax is not safe, so now we add oil instead. Mix well, set aside for 30 minutes. Now that everything is prepared, let's wrap the dumplings. Bamboo leaves have a smooth side and a rough side. The rough side will have a stem protruding out. We want the smooth side to face inwards so that the dumplings don't stick to the leaves after steaming. The size of these leaves are not consistent, so pair one large leaf with a small one. Place the small leaf on top of the big leaf. Wrap into a cone shape. Make sure the corners overlap. We don't want the rice to fall out later. Place about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of rice. Don't stuff in too much. For alkaline dumplings, the method is different from savory dumplings. We want to pack it loosely. Now tuck both sides and cover the top. Now you'll see a tip. Fold the tip. You can see it forms a pyramid shape now. Tie the dumplings. Tie 2 rounds and make a knot. Then pull downwards, cross over and tie another knot. Don't tie it super tight, we want the rice to expand nicely. Let me show you another one. Prepare a pot of boiling water. You need a big pot to cook the dumplings. Gently place the dumplings into the pot. Reduce to low heat. The water should only be gently bubbling, not fierce, yeah? If not, the bamboo leaves might easily burst open. Always observe the water level. The water should be above the dumplings and as full as possible. This will help the dumplings cook evenly and reduce the cooking time. Cook for 2.5 hours. Add boiling water when the water level reduces. Don't use cold water as it will affect the cooking time. So the cooking time depends on the pot size, the size of dumplings, and also the heat of your stove. Okay, it's been cooking for 2.5 hours. Let's take a look. The dumplings are all nice and puffed up. Oops, one fell off. Let it cool to room temperature. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Let's cut one and have a look. You can see that it doesn't stick to the leaves, and the color looks so vibrant, slightly translucent and amber yellow. I will show you later how stretchy, soft and chewy they are. So for these dumplings, we usually eat with just plain sugar. You can also add gula melaka or kaya, or you can eat it with red bean. I have a very yummy kaya recipe. My aunt taught me how to make it, so you can see the link in the description below if you want to make. See how stretchy and soft they are. I can't wait to eat this. That's it. Hope you enjoyed watching this. See you next time.